How to hard reset Poco X5 Pro. Step 1. At the start, turn off the smartphone by using the power key. Step 2. Hold down at the same time the power button and the volume up. Step 3. When the Xiaomi logo shows up, let go of the power button, but keep pushing the volume up.